So we'll get started, and we'll take around half an hour. So what is our idea for today? So two things. Number one, that how classes will be conducted. As you know that now live classes are starting for ESIC Deputy Director exam, and then any doubt or anything which you might have. Okay. So with that note, let's get started. Number one. Okay. So guys, can everybody confirm that we have received printed booklets? Okay. So those who haven't received, maybe they place the order very recently. Usually it takes around 5-6 days. So if you do not receive it even in 5-6 days, then get back to us. How will get back to us? Just reply to the same email through which we have sent you the tracking number that you haven't received the booklets. Our team will look into where your courier is and see whatever best it can be done. But usually it takes 5 to 6 days, and wait for that time. If you do not get it by then, please come back to us. So guys, these are your printed booklets through which you will cover the entire syllabus. So what we have done, we have sent you around 80 to 85% of syllabus in your first courier. You will get another courier, which is your second courier, around October end, which will have some more booklets, which will have English language, then some topics of public administration and development. Then you'll also get current affairs for a couple of more months. So these are some of the things which you will get in the second courier. Otherwise, you have got everything in your first courier. Also, guys, there is a letter in the first courier. Please go through that. That letter will tell you step by step how everything has been arranged. Next thing is online question bank. We have sent you username and password, and I'll show you how it looks like. So guys, we also have sent you a link. So once you will log in, it will take you to your dashboard. Then you can go to take test. Then you will go to test packages, and there you will find entire UPSC ESIC course arranged topic wise. OB, HR, marketing, FM, RTI, general science, numerical ability, Indian polity, freedom movement, economics and development. So guys, this is how entire course has been arranged. Please look into this online test platform. This is very valuable. You should be doing questions on the online test platform. And also in the some of you might struggle how to navigate on this online test platform. So for that, what we have done, in the same email in which you have received username and password, there is a link to a video. That video is of 3 to 4 minutes. Please watch that video before starting anything on the online test platform. Is there anybody in the class who would like to discuss anything or ask anything about online test platform? Anyone in the class? So let us speak to Piyush now. Yes, Piyush, speak up. Yeah.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, Piyush, I can hear you. Speak up. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to just discuss one thing. I took a test on your online test platform. Can we reset it?
Go to results section. Then Piyush will go to your particular test, whichever you want to reattempt. Look at this blue color button, and that is how you can reattempt that.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah. Anyone else? Anyone else who would like to speak or discuss anything regarding online test platform? So guys, you can access the online test platform through two methods. Method number one, Android based mobile app. Method number two, your desktop or laptop, whatever you have. In the same email in which you got username and password, we have given you these two things, how to download and that mobile app and everything. You can look at that. Please do not try to open online test platform in a browser in mobile phone. If you are using a mobile phone, use the app. Otherwise, on desktop or laptop, anyway, it's fine. Yeah. So let us speak to Siddharth now. Yes, Siddharth, please speak up.
Sir, just wanted to know if the online tests will be continuously updated.
Yes, yes, Siddharth,
Yeah.
this very important thing, guys. We have done some work, but we are still
Okay.
doing it because ESIC exam was announced very recently only. There's a lot of work which is yet to be done, and our team is working on that. For example, your entire Indian economy and development will be revised. Polity has been half revised, half will be done. Even for accounting, we are reworking on entire question bank for a lot of things which will keep happening. But you do not have to worry. These things will automatically keep getting reflected on the online test platform. Is that okay?
Yeah, sir, just wanted to know if current affairs will also be part of online test.
No, see, generally, we do not make online questions for current affairs because,
Okay.
I mean, you don't get much value by practicing those questions.
Okay.
They are totally factual based. So for current affairs, you just have to read our printed booklets, which we will send you. And but then,
Periodically, right? Yeah.
I mean, we will make some questions, but again,
Yeah.
primarily you have to depend on our booklets only for the current affairs.
Sure thing. Okay, fine. Yeah.
So can I speak to Kasturi because she was facing a lot of issues for. Yeah, Kasturi, can you speak up? Please unmute and speak up. Kasturi. So Kasturi, there is a green colored mic in front of you. Yes.
Yeah.
Can you speak now?
Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, I can. Yes.
So today I tried to open the test. So it was open, but it did not, the test, I tried to attempt it, but it did not open. Is it because I tried to open in the PC only?
Kasturi, do one thing. If it's just loading, the issue might be that your cache memory of your browser can be extremely full right now. Okay, so do one thing, clear your cache memory, refresh your internet connection, and then try once again. If that loading issue is coming, like when you are clicking on go to test and then you have to wait for a minute or so, then do one thing, clear your cache memory, refresh your internet connection, and then you will be able to attempt the test. All right. And
how to clear the cache memory, sir?
Go to the setting in your browser. The browser has its own personal settings. Go on that setting and you'll get an option to clear the cache memory.
Okay.
Do that. If the issue still persists, then in the credentials emails, we have also written, if you are facing an issue, just write us an email and we'll get our tech team to help you out. All right.
Okay.
Shiva, can we show any test to Kasturi? Kasturi, tell me any topic, whichever your favorite, any topic.
Accounts.
Accounting. Okay, let me go to accounting and let me open up any test. Maybe we can open partnership accounts. Go to test. This I am here. Then take test. Then I wait for some time because my paper is loading. You can see it here, Kasturi, right?
So like this only, it is
so
taking.
So no worries. Let us wait. Don't worry. It takes a couple of seconds. No worries. Don't worry. Yeah, it's done. Kasturi, this is the time it takes. I'm ready to begin, and this is my test. Cool, Kasturi.
Yes.
Chalo, cool. Okay, guys. So, is there anybody else with whom we need to speak or discuss anything? Rahul has something to say, but yes, Rahul, speak up.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, Rahul, speak up. Yeah.
So when I log into this browser, so there is assignment. So I have to do the assignment. It's weekly updated or like one time.
No. See, Rahul, what you have to do is that there is a small to understand what this online test platform is. Go to Human Pattern's website. Okay.
Right.
And go to Deputy Director ESIC page, Rahul. And
right.
On that page, online question bank, 10,000 questions. You can see it here. And here is a
Right,
link,
right.
and there is a video 4-5 minutes. Please look at this video. This video will show you what have we compiled in this online test platform. Is that okay?
Okay. Just I
Without
want to know. Just I want to
without
have
that,
already.
you would have seen
You
it before buying everything. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Rahul.
Just I want to know that you have already uploaded 10,000 question bank right now, or you will update by the time framework?
Two things. Number one, we'll be uploading more questions as well. Number two, even for existing questions also, we'll be making a lot of changes. Both. See, guys, 10,000 is tentative figure. Ultimately, this number is going to be 12,000, 13,000. But our objective is not to maximize the number to impress you. Our objective is to give you what is required. This might even be 9,000. So don't worry about that number. But whatever is required, that will be available on this online test platform. Okay, Rahul?
So after the class, I have to attend after the reading the book. Just I want to know the or just attend and read it.
See, guys, flow is your class or video and booklet. Okay, so you can either do booklet first. I mean, it's very simple. Either you can attend the class first, then read the booklet. Some of you prefer reading booklet first, then attending the class. It is your choice. We won't comment. But once you have done these two things, then come on the online test platform.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excuse
So let us.
me. Can I add something to it?
Yes,
Rahul, there's
Yes,
also
sir.
one more
Yes.
thing that you can do. See, if you are attempting the class or actually just sitting in the class and listening to the teacher, or just even watching the video, when you are doing so, always keep your book with you so that you can study while you are watching the video, make your own notes, and then go back and attempt the test. Or else, if you are trying to study on your own, and if you are feeling that this topic is particularly easy and I already know about it, what you can actually do, go on the test platform, attempt the test. All right. So there will be maybe out of 50 questions, let's say the test that you have attempted for whatsoever XYZ topic that we are talking about. If you attempt a 50 questions paper and you get 30 or 40 marks, then what you can do, go back to your books, read about it, and then go and attempt the test. By doing so, you'll actually understand where you are lacking in a particular topic, where you need to improve yourself, and then you can prepare yourself. That is also a way in which you can use the online test platform.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. All right.
Okay. So guys, and okay, I'll come to that later. Okay, is there anybody else? So guys, can you be concise with your questions and everything so that we can move on with the session as well? Yeah, Chinu John, please speak up. Chinu John, yeah.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening, John. Please speak up.
Sir,
Yes.
actually, I have still not enrolled myself in the academy, but I
Okay.
have received a message on the orientation program. My question is, how will be the live classes going on, sir?
Sorry, how what?
Live
Come
sessions
again?
will be going on. Live sessions will be going on. It will be
Okay.
both simultaneously the videos as well as the live sessions, or separately live sessions will be taken.
Okay, so give hold on for 5 minutes. We'll come to that part, and it will get answered. It will okay, John?
And one more thing, sir, I have not received the user ID and password. Is it issued after the payment?
Yes, of course. Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay, that will be done. Okay, sir.
Okay. So guys, printed booklets, online question bank. We have covered these two parts, and anything else? Let me see my notes also if I have to tell you anything else. No, ठीक है. Okay. Another thing, guys. Again, because although I'm repeating it from last session, going through only booklets is not sufficient. Go through online question bank also. Second thing, you don't have to just find the answer of question on the online test platform, but you also need to read through the detailed explanation which is given with every question. Very, very important, guys. Please don't miss it. Okay, let's move on. So next thing is recorded videos, guys. Another thing, those who have taken only study material from us, you need to pay by tomorrow evening, enroll by tomorrow evening for your live classes or recorded videos, whatever you choose. If you have taken only study material, you have to do it by tomorrow evening. Okay, so guys, recorded videos, now you have to understand it very carefully, everyone, what I'm going to tell you right now. Second, please hold on, we'll take your question. Okay, so guys, once you okay, first thing is online test or online question bank is accessed by two methods, which is Android based mobile app and your web browser, which can be your laptop or desktop. Okay, your recorded videos can also be accessed through two devices. One is again Android based mobile, second is your Windows based desktop, Windows based only, no Apple. Okay, you can access on either of them or both of them, your choice. So one handheld device and one fixed device. So guys, these two are totally separate. Do not try to find videos on online question bank. Similarly, do not try to find question bank where videos are there. These two are totally separate threads. For this you download an app which from Play Store, which is known as Human Peritus. For this, anyway, you have a link which is hp.testpedia.in. For this, you install another app which is DTH. Again, your email will tell you everything. Although for this, again, you need to install an app in your desktop, again, which is a DTH app. Guys, please be clear where what has been given. Okay, next thing, guys. So what we have done for recorded videos, and it's very, very important to understand this this point. Okay, so what is meaning of recorded videos? Recorded video means that whatever we'll do in live classes, you will get recorded video of same class. Okay, great. Tushar, hold on, please hold on, guys, don't stop asking questions. I'll come back to you. So coming back, so whatever we'll teach in class, recorded video of same class is also made available to you. Great. So now these classes will start from 4th of October, and those who have enrolled, they have already received the schedule. So as and when classes will keep going on, your videos will keep getting accumulated one by one. Okay, for example, right now we'll be teaching you topic of financial management, marketing, mathematical aptitude. We are starting with these topics. So you will see that videos of these topics, they will start getting available in your whatever mobile phone or something slowly as and when class will happen. With what delay? So we usually do it weekly. Every week on Monday or every week on Monday we upload all videos one time. Shiva, we do it Monday or Friday? Which day we do it?
On Mondays.
Okay, so on every Monday for all classes which have been held previously, recorded videos are made available. Okay, so guys, slowly this, for example, if you are on maybe 20th of October, so you will not see recorded video of HRM. Why? Because HRM we haven't started. Whenever we'll start HRM in class, in live class, then you will see it recorded video. So this is one part of recorded video. There is another story to recorded video, which is, guys, because we have been teaching these topics for last 8-9 years, so we already have some recorded videos available with us, which we have already made available to you. Again, so these are the videos which were from a different course, but because syllabus has been same, and after carefully analyzing, we have made them available to you. Why we did so? Because we thought maybe we'll start accounting in the month of December. Then we do not want a situation that you'll be waiting for the month of December to start topic of accounting. Right now also you can start accounting, because even for accounting also you have recorded videos available. From where these videos have come? Because we have taught these topics earlier in some course. But please, we have carefully chosen what we have given you, what we haven't given you. They are part of your syllabus. That is why we have given to you. In a way, guys, suppose I am on 20th of October. So in my online, in my recorded videos, I'll have now two types of videos. One, suppose for marketing, there will be a place where I'll have all previous recorded videos. Then again, in the marketing, I'll have recorded videos which are being produced through live classes. So you can say that there'll be two courses of marketing available to you. Is there anybody in the class who did not understand what I have just told you about recorded videos? Please speak up right now. Anyone in the class? Just say, I want to speak. If you did not understand what I have told you right now. Come on, guys. So now some of you might ask that I already have previous videos of marketing. Now these new videos are being created through live classes. Which one should I study? So guys, I suggest that you should go for videos of live classes. But if you are covering syllabus too fast before the class, you are welcome. In fact, you should do it. Then you can go through videos which have been created previously. Yeah, so let me speak to Saikat now. Yes, Saikat Bhattacharya, speak up.
गुड इवनिंग सर.
हाँ जी
सर
सैकत
माय
बोलिए.
क्वेश्चन इज दैट सर मेरा क्वेश्चन था कि आई ऑलरेडी ऑप्टेड फॉर ऑप्शन 1, दैट इज द स्टडी मटेरियल्स एंड द ऑनलाइन टेस्ट सीरीज प्रोग्राम्स, एंड आई वांट टू ऑप्ट फॉर द थर्ड ऑप्शन एज वेल, दैट इज रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो ऑप्शन सर. So what you told sir just now, that is regarding the recorded video option, how to avail this. Would you please repeat it once, sir? Once I will opt for this, once I will pay for this option 3 wala thing, then how come I will avail this? This will come automatically into my packages option, and day by day one live classes will be goes on, and this one will be updated into my this thing, and I can see this and watch this. This thing was my first question. Second thing was, sir, can I take, sir?
Answer to your first question is yes.
Sir.
Okay, now move on to second question.
Sir, my second question is that can I take a same test for more than one, sir?
And we have already answered that in today's session. Do one thing. Yes, you can do it. How you can do it? You have received an email from us which had username and password. There is a link to a video in the same email. Please go and see that video. Is that okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. You already mailed this, sir.
So again, I'll repeat myself. Second, you have received
Sir.
username and password in an email. The same email has a link to a YouTube video. Please look at that video. Is that okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
From
Sir.
which city are you speaking?
Sir, I'm actually speaking from Darjeeling city of West Bengal, sir.
Darjeeling. Very nice. Okay. Come on, guys.
Sir.
Who else? Anybody else who did not understand this recorded video story? Come on. Anyone else? Anyone else? Okay. So I'll move on to next point now. Yes. Classes. Okay, guys. So your classes are starting from 4th of October. Those who have enrolled, they have already reduced the schedule, that which classes are being held, which day, what time. Check your email. Otherwise, write to us. Those who are planning to join, guys, please enroll by tomorrow evening. If you face any problem, do let us know. But for live classes, please do enroll by tomorrow evening. Now guys, you have to follow 3-4 ground rules for the classes. Number 1, when you are having a class and your teacher is in front of you, so whatever you want to speak, please restrict your doubt to the content of class only. आपके टीचर को ये बात नहीं पता है कि मेरा कोरियर कहाँ है, या आपके टीचर को इस बात से भी कोई मतलब नहीं है कि मेरा ऑनलाइन टेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं चल रहा है, या मैं फीस कैसे पे करूं, या मेरा ये हो गया, इन सब ऑपरेशनल बातों से टीचर को कोई मतलब नहीं है और टीचर को इस बारे में पता भी नहीं होता है। ठीक है, टीचर कम्स फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक, आप उससे उसी की बात कीजिए, उसका डिस्कस कीजिए, यू आर वेलकम, जितना उससे पूछना आप पूछिए, अपना डिस्कस कीजिए, नॉट ऑफ कोर्स नॉट एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ लूजिंग द स्पीड ऑफ क्लास, बिकॉज देयर इज ऑलवेज अ ट्रेड ऑफ। सो बट ऑपरेशनल बातों का टीचर को कभी नहीं पता होता है। डू नॉट आस्क ऑपरेशनल थिंग्स टू द टीचर। ऑपरेशनल थिंग्स के लिए आपको क्या करना है, हमें ईमेल करना है, हमारा ईमेल एड्रेस आपके पास है ही, contact@humanpeters.com या upsc@humanpeters.com. Sunil, please hold on, I'll come back. Okay, so restrict your doubt to academic content only, टीचर को उतना ही पता है। Second thing guys, you know, teacher will always bring his own value to the class. Own value का मतलब क्या है? Maybe teacher might tell you few things extra than book. Okay, please make note of them. उस टाइम आपको ये नहीं बोलना है कि ये मेरी बुक में कहाँ है. It is not one-to-one mapping. कि teacher is not reading what has been written in the book, although it happens very rarely. But start taking notes whenever teacher is teaching you. Teachers have their own style. They bring lot of additional value to you. कई बार टीचर तुम्हें एडिशनल बातें बताएगा, कई बार कोई बिल्कुल थ्योरेटिकल बात होगी, टीचर उसको छोड़ भी देगा. टीचर विल टेल यू इट्स वेरी थ्योरेटिकल, यू कैन रीड इट. ओके, ही विल डू बोथ थिंग्स. अगेन थिंग गाइज, अगर आपको टीचर ये बोलता है कि आप ये चीज बुक में से छोड़ सकते हो, देन प्लीज स्किप इट. हम लोग काफी डिस्कशन के बाद ही वी डिसाइड एंड टीचर्स वी हैव अ मीटिंग एंड वी डिसाइड कि क्या ESIC वालों को पढ़ना है, क्या किस कोर्स वालों को पढ़ना है, ये सब करना है. तो इफ टीचर इज एडवाइजिंग यू कि ये वाला टॉपिक आप स्किप कर सकते हो, सो प्लीज स्किप दैट. आप उसे अपनी बुक में से बेशक हटा दीजिए, बिकॉज टीचर नोज व्हाट ही इज स्पीकिंग गाइस. टीचर ऑलवेज नोज. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेशन व्हिच गोज ऑन बिहाइंड एवरी क्लास, कि किसको क्या पढ़ाना है, कैसे पढ़ाना है, कितना डेप्थ है, वो सब चीजें हैं. डू नॉट वरी अबाउट दैट, बट प्लीज follow the teacher. Teacher will always add more value than what is given in the book. Teacher will also tell you क्या थोड़ा ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्या कम है, वो सब चीजें कुछ हैं. Again, that they will do. Then what else? Yeah, अगर आपको किसी क्लास के लिए इनवाइट आता है, then that is part of your syllabus. Unless teacher says no, please don't worry, please don't think कि will invite you for a class जो आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है. ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होगा. ऐसा see, once you will have classes, maybe sometimes what will happen कि आपकी क्लास में कुछ दूसरे कोर्स के भी बच्चे हैं, but do not worry, हम टॉपिक बाय टॉपिक एनालाइज करके आपको क्लास से बुलाते हैं. अगर आपको किसी क्लास में इनवाइट किया गया है, that is part of your syllabus. It is very clear. You need not ask teacher कि ये है या नहीं है, या वो सब चीजें हैं. Okay, Shiva, anything else from your side, please?
Yes. So guys, you will get the class schedule on every single Friday for the upcoming weeks. Okay. So if you do not get your schedule on a Friday, then do send us a mail by Saturday. Please do not wait till Monday or Tuesday for your class schedules. And always keep on checking your email addresses. You will get the email from the same email ID from which you got your orientation email today. Okay. Plus, as sir said, keep your doubts fixed to the subject. Always keep a notebook and a pen with you so that you can jot down the points and go back and start studying from what the teacher has taught in the class. So please.
Okay. Okay, so guys, right now in your first week you have got 4 classes, 4 classes only. लेकिन क्या ऐसे 4 होंगे? Of course no. हम शुरू के 1-2 वीक थोड़ा लाइट रखते हैं just to warm you up. इसके बाद आपकी नंबर ऑफ क्लासेस काफी ज्यादा होने वाली हैं. शायद वीक में 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 क्लासेस होंगी. So शुरू में we keep it slightly light so that you get warmed up. But slowly your classes per week will increase. Okay. So next thing. Okay. What is the plan of next 4 months, guys? Subject wise plan मैं आपको बता देता हूँ हमारा क्या प्लान है. So अभी right now in October we are starting FM, we are starting mathematical aptitude or numerical ability, we are starting marketing and we are starting computer knowledge. ये चारों सब्जेक्ट हम अभी शुरू कर रहे हैं. जैसे कि ये खत्म होने वाले होंगे जो कि शायद अराउंड 10th of November 15 नवंबर के आसपास होगा. तो उसके बाद हम इन नवंबर अराउंड 10th और 15th of नवंबर हम लोग क्या शुरू करेंगे? HRM, OB प्लस पब्लिक एड, ये जो एडिशनल टॉपिक्स हैं, प्लस देन विल स्टार्ट अकाउंटिंग एंड व्हाट एल्स. अगेन फिर हम लोग अराउंड 10th of December को अगेन विल स्टार्ट फ्यू मोर टॉपिक्स एंड दिस इज हाउ your topics will keep adding month by month. Okay. Anything else? So yeah, so guys, that's all we have to say from our side. जिसने वो नहीं किया प्लीज कल शाम तक आप लोग ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. जिसको जो पूछना, let us speak, let us start discussing now. Okay, so I'm ignoring whatever doubts you have written till now. Just write I want to speak and let us speak to each of you one by one. Yes, let us speak to Tushar. Yeah, Tushar, speak up. हाँ तुषार बोलो.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, Tushar.
Hello, sir. Sir, I have 2 doubts. Question number 1, I have already purchased option number A, which is purchasing the booklets and online test series. So if I now want to purchase the second option or third option, which is opting for live classes, do I have to pay the balance, the difference amount, or how it goes?
You have to pay the only difference amount. आपको क्या करना है, हमारी तरफ से जो भी आपको ईमेल, आपके पास कोई भी ईमेल पड़ी होगी, ट्रैकिंग नंबर या कोई भी, उस ईमेल पे रिप्लाई कर दीजिए. उसमें लिख दीजिए कि मैंने ऑप्शन 1 ले लिया, ऑप्शन 3 लेना है. हम आपको ईमेल से बता देंगे कैसे करना है. ओके ओके. सेकंड क्वेश्चन. हाँ,
second question is, sir, although you have mentioned on your website कि timing will be big according to our job, क्योंकि सारे job वाले हैं, but now that you have a plan कि आपने बताया है कि आपने जिन्होंने enroll कर दिया उन्होंने timing set कर दिए हैं आपने, so can you please tell me what are the timings that you have set up?
No, see again हम okay, हमारा timing का क्या plan है guys? As of now what we are doing, every class 8 PM in the night on weekdays, okay, and Sundays. So we are starting with this, so we'll try to stick to this time. अगर हमें लगेगा कि इसमें सिलेबस नहीं हो पा रहा है, then next हमारा ऑप्शन होगा सैटरडेज को क्लास लगाना. अगर हमें लगेगा इसमें भी सिलेबस नहीं हो पा रहा, then थर्ड ऑप्शन होगा अर्ली मॉर्निंग 6 AM क्लास लगाना. So this is our plan.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
हाँ, okay. So guys, who else would like to speak? Come on. Chinu has, yeah, Chinu, please speak up. Chinu John. Then we'll speak to Kasturi. Yeah, Chinu.
The last date for enrollment कब है sir?
Tomorrow evening.
Tomorrow, sir. Actually, I sent a mail to send the account details, but they are telling to pay through the link.
So that link has account details.
No, I'm having Yono app where I am adding the beneficiary and making payment.
So just click on that link, John, and it will lead to your page where account number, IFSC code, everything is given. Click on that link. Yeah, okay. So let us speak to Kasturi now because he has been saying for quite some time. Yes, Kasturi, please speak up.
Sir, actually I wanted to ask, means while the class is going on, I might have some doubts, but after the class, if I wanted to ask any doubts, should I mail it? Can I mail it for that particular class? Can I mail those doubts?
But again, of course, you can send your doubts through email, But guys, the best option is speak to the teacher. That is what beauty of live class is. Kasturi, try to resolve your doubts in the class. If you can't because of anything, then send us an email.
Okay, sir. Sir, and sir, one more last question. Sir, you have planned October FM these subjects. So during that time only, if we study only those subjects, will we cover it like that if you go?
बिल्कुल.
Means like,
Guys, again, if you want to go with us, of course you are welcome. लेकिन हमारा आपसे रिक्वेस्ट ये है कि जो टफर टॉपिक है वो ठीक है, लेकिन साथ में आप कुछ एक दो आसान सब्जेक्ट भी साथ में अपने आप ही करना शुरू कर दीजिए. प्रोबेबली आप शायद व्हाई डोंट यू स्टार्ट योर मे बी आप पॉलिटी शुरू कर लीजिए, ठीक है, या इंडियन फ्रीडम. तो कुछ आसान. सी गाइज, अगेन वी हैव अ प्लान, लेकिन वी वांट कि आप लोग हमसे भी आगे रहें. आर यू गेटिंग इट?
यस सर.
एटलीस्ट जो थ्योरेटिकल टॉपिक है वो आप खुद से शुरू कर दीजिए. गाइज, हमने काफी केयरफुली ये सब हमने आपको आप इंडियन पॉलिटी का आप क्या करते हैं? आप लोग जनरली आप लोग लक्ष्मीकांत पढ़ते, 600 पेज की किताब पढ़ते. अगर हमने आपको सारा पॉलिटी 150-200 पेजेस में करके दे दिया है, इसके बाद भी आपको कुछ जिंदगी में से ज्यादा आराम चाहिए क्या? उसको पढ़ डालिए गाइज. डू नॉट वेट फॉर एनीथिंग नाउ.
ओके सर.
ग्रेट. एंड कस्तूरी, यू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी राइट? लास्ट टाइम यू कंप्लेंट की. हाँ, बट डोंट वरी, क्लासेस में सब हिंदी. So where do you live, Kasturi? Which city?
Sir, at present I am working in Bangalore, but I am from Assam.
You are from Assam and you are working in Bangalore. Very nice.
Yes.
And you are attending a class from Delhi. Wow, great.
No, sir,
Indian.
From Delhi. I'm attending from Bangalore.
No, I'm saying that we are speaking from Delhi. You are in Bangalore and you are from Assam. So that becomes a great Indian triangle, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, cool. Yeah, let us speak to Sunil. Yeah, Sunil Singh, please speak up. Sunil Singh.
Hello,
Yes,
can you hear me, sir?
हाँ जी सुनील, बोलिए. Yes.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sunil. हाँ, please.
Sir, I want to ask one question regarding video, pre-recorded video course. That you said two types of video will be there. One will be pre-recorded video, and second will be the video which will be updated after live classes.
ठीक है.
So I want to ask that till the end of the course, both these types of video will be there, or the earlier video will be auto deleted after the updation of new videos?
हम लोग डिलीट नहीं करेंगे. We'll keep both of them. लेकिन सी अगेन मैंने आपको ये सब बातें इतना क्यों बताया सुनील, कि ना वहां आपको मार्केटिंग के 2 कोर्स दिखेंगे, राइट? तो बिकॉज हम नहीं चाहते कि आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओ कि वो ये 2 कोर्स का क्या मतलब है, इसलिए मैंने आपको सब स्टोरी बताई.
नहीं वो ठीक है, दोनों वीडियो रहेंगे ना सर. हमको जो भी प्रेफर आएगा हम किसी को भी देख सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर रिक्वायरमेंट.
बिल्कुल. इट्स योर चॉइस गाइस. वी आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग टू मेक थिंग्स इजी फॉर यू.
थैंक यू सर.
हाँ, ओके. सो गाइस, इज देयर एनीबॉडी हु डिड नॉट स्पीक टिल नाउ?
John speaking, sir. Again, sir.
Yeah, who is this?
Hello.
Yeah, John, right?
Chinu John speaking, sir.
Yes, Chinu John.
Sir, one more query. Sir, आप फर्स्ट प्रिंटेड बुक्स बुकलेट प्रेफर करेंगे कि लाइव क्लासेस अटेंड करने प्रेफर करेंगे सर?
देखो चिनु जोन, ये ना काफी पर्सनल डिसीजन है. आई मीन देखिए, ये ना जस्ट कंपेयर इट लाइक स्कूल एंड कॉलेज. तो कुछ बच्चे क्या करते थे कि क्लास में पहले पढ़ के आते थे, फिर टीचर को सुनते थे, राइट? वाइल सम अदर्स यूज्ड टू डू व्हाट, कि पहले टीचर को सुन के फिर बुक पढ़ते थे. आप जिसमें भी कंफर्टेबल है वो कर लीजिए, बट हमेशा याद रखिए कि आपको अपना बुक जरूर पढ़ना है, बुक की एक लाइन जरूर पढ़ना है. आपको ऑनलाइन क्वेश्चन बैंक भी जरूर ही करना है. ये दोनों चीजें हमेशा कभी भी डू नॉट अंडरमाइन बोथ दीज थिंग्स. जी हाँ,
हर एक क्लास कंप्लीट करने के बाद हम क्वेश्चन बैंक अटेंड करेंगे सर?
हाँ, गो टॉपिक बाय टॉपिक. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर टीचर ने एफएम की क्लास में आपको कैपिटल बजटिंग पढ़ा दिया, तो कैपिटल बजटिंग का टीचर का सुन लीजिए, फिर बुक में जाके कैपिटल बजटिंग का एक चैप्टर पढ़ लीजिए, और फिर ऑनलाइन टेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाके कैपिटल बजटिंग के सवाल कर लीजिए.
सर लास्ट क्वेश्चन है सर.
हाँ,
लास्ट क्वेश्चन सर, वेदर इट इज एक्सेसिबल इन द टैब आल्सो सर?
व्हिच वन? योर लाइव क्लास or recorded video?
Your module, you are only telling that only Android mobile and desktop.
So this tab is which one? I mean, Android based or Apple? Which one?
Android only, sir. It is Samsung tab.
Yeah, it should work. Although let me let me
it
clarify
works.
this.
It works on Android
Works.
tabs as well.
Okay, it works. It works. Great. Okay. So, okay, I think Rajiv has something to say now. Yes, Rajiv, speak up. Rajiv,
सर
yes.
गुड इवनिंग.
हाँ जी राजीव बोलिए.
गुड इवनिंग सर और
राजीव, हाँ.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. मैं आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया करना चाहता हूँ. रीजन कि अभी तक मैं डाउट में था कोर्स लूं या ना लूं.
अच्छा.
अपना फील्ड नहीं है सर, मैं HRM से रिलेटेड, बट आप लोगों को सुन के लगा कि आप लोग कितना तरीके से तरह तरह के लोगों को मैनेज कर रहे हो. मुझे लगता है इस कोर्स को देने के बाद मैं ये एग्जाम जरूर क्रैक कर सकता हूँ सर.
देखो राजीव, मेहनत तो आपको करना है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर नाइस वर्ड्स. लेकिन एक बार ना वेबसाइट पे पूरा पढ़ भी लीजिएगा, समझ लीजिएगा कि क्या प्लान है, क्या कोर्स है.
सर सॉरी टू डिस्टर्ब यू, तो मैंने सब कुछ कर लिया, फिर भी ये लास्ट ये ओरिएंटेशन सेशन के लिए मैं वेट कर रहा था.
अच्छा.
और डाउट इस बात का है क्योंकि बाकी तो वर्किंग है. मैं एयरफोर्स से रिटायर्ड हूँ आफ्टर 20 years ऑफ सर्विस.
ओह वेरी नाइस.
तो
वेरी नाइस.
अपना गोल्डन चांस है या डायमंड चांस है पता नहीं, ये गॉड ग्रेस बोले इसको. जितने भी फ्यूचरिस्टिक ये डिप्यूटी डायरेक्टर सुन रहे हैं यहाँ पे, उन सबको प्रणाम मेरा.
नहीं बिल्कुल. देखिए आपको जरूर मेहनत करना चाहिए. ठीक है, आपको आपका क्योंकि जैसा बैकग्राउंड है, आप जहाँ से आते हैं, ठीक है, आई एम श्योर इंटरव्यू में भी आपको लोग अच्छा वेटेज देंगे. दे विल कंसिडर व्हाट यू हैव डन फॉर द कंट्री. ठीक है, तो यू शुड गिव इट अ वेरी सीरियस ट्राई. विद अस और विदाउट अस वो एक अलग बात है. और गाइज इसमें एक बड़ी अच्छी बात है इस वाले कोर्स में कि ना हर आदमी को ये लगता है कि टाइम नहीं है. लेकिन वो तो सभी के साथ ट्रू है, राइट? सभी के साथ वो ट्रू है क्योंकि तुम सभी लोग नौकरी कर. अब इसका रिक्वायरमेंट था 3 साल का वर्क एक्स. 3 साल का वर्क एक्स का मतलब है कि अब सरकारी नौकरी 3 साल अब छोड़ के घर तो कोई लोग नहीं बैठे होंगे अनलेस दे हैव कंप्लीट सर्विस लाइक यू. आपने तो कर गवर्नमेंट मतलब गवर्नमेंट को आपने तो 20 years दे दिए हैं राजीव, है ना? तो लेकिन अगर आप सब लोग इस जॉब कर रहे हैं तो गाइस अब जो थोड़ा सा भी मेहनत करेगा ना, ही विल गेट थ्रू इट. सो कोई आपकी जान अभी नहीं मांग रहा है. बस दिन में ऐसे 2-2, 3-3 घंटे ये कहीं से निकालने हैं, रात को सोने से पहले या सुबह जल्दी उठ के या आते जाते कर लिया, या कभी ज्यादा ट्रेवल टाइम है तो फोन पे वीडियो देख लिया, कोई टेस्ट दे लिया. सो मतलब थोड़ा सा ही आपको धक्का लगाना है. एंड आई एम 100% श्योर बिकॉज वी हैव बीन स्पीकिंग टू स्टूडेंट्स, आप में से ना बड़े सारे लोग ये गिव अप ही कर देंगे अगर मतलब अगेन बिकॉज आई आल्सो हैव वर्कड इन माय लाइफ समवेयर. सो अब क्या हुआ कि आप ऑफिस में जाओगे, काम करोगे, कई बार आपका बॉस नाराज हो जाएगा. ठीक है, जो भी आपका रिपोर्टिंग मैनेजर होगा, यूर सीनियर या जो भी होगा, ठीक है, और आप फिर छोड़ दोगे, नहीं अभी क्या कहाँ हो पाएगा, मेरा बॉस ने मुझे लुक्स दे दिया. कोई बात नहीं गाइस, उसको 2-4 महीने नाराज हो जाने दीजिए. तुम्हारा एक ACR खराब हो जाने दीजिए हल्का सा, कोई उससे आफत नहीं आ जाएगी. किसी की सरकारी नौकरी नहीं जाती है. लेकिन अगर इसमें एक बार आए हो तो एक बार जान लगा दीजिए 3-4 महीने एंड देन सी द रिजल्ट. अगर आप रियली मोटिवेटेड हो तो. और अगर आप मोटिवेटेड नहीं हो फिर छोड़िए इसको. सी अगेन यू ऑलरेडी हैव अ जॉब एंड यू विल डू वेल इन लाइफ. आप शायद कुछ और भी करोगे. मतलब आधे मन से मत कीजिएगा. ऐसा मत कीजिएगा कि मैं 3-4 महीने पढ़ भी लिया लेकिन क्योंकि आधा आधा पढ़ा तो मेरा सिलेक्शन भी नहीं हुआ और मतलब मैं तो मतलब कहीं का भी नहीं रहा. आप समझ रहे हो? सो गाइस डू योर बेस्ट. मैं ना बिकॉज गाइज अलो मी, आई विल टेक 2 minutes. मैं तुम्हें एक छोटी सी कहानी बताना चाहता हूँ. एक ना चोर था एक गांव में, ठीक है. आई होप एवरीबडी अंडरस्टैंड्स हिंदी, राइट? कस्तूरी, यू आर ओके विद दैट? ओके
सर, चोर हर जगह होता है सर. कंटिन्यू.
अब ना सुनिए मेरी बात. गांव में ना एक चोर था, चोर को पकड़ लिया. तो फिर चोर को पंचायत हुई तो पंचायत ने चोर को 3 ऑप्शन दिए. उसको कहा कि या तो तुम 100 प्याज खा लो, या तुम 100 कोड़े खा लो, और या तुम 100 रुपया फाइन दे दो. तो चोर को लगा कि मतलब ये क्या बकवास है, मैं क्यों दूंगा, मैं 100 प्याज खा लेता हूं. तो चोर ने प्याज खाने शुरू किए. 10, 20, 30, 40, उसने 50, 60 प्याज खा गया वो. और फिर लगाओ हो ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा, शिट, ये मैंने क्या कर लिया. फिर चोर ने कहा 100 रुपए नहीं दूंगा, मैं 100 कोड़े खा लेता हूं। फिर चोर ने 100 कोड़े खाने शुरू किए, वो कोड़े भी नहीं खा पाया, 50-60 कोड़े खाए, फिर वो रुक गया, फिर वो फाइनली 100 रुपए देके घर आ गया। तो गाइस ऐसा काम मत करना कि तैयारी भी कर ली, कुछ स्ट्रेस में भी रहे, ह्यूमन पैटर्स को पैसा भी दे दिया और सब कुछ कर लिया पर सिलेक्शन ही नहीं हुआ। क्यों? क्योंकि पूरे मन से नहीं किया था। अगर छोड़ना है अभी छोड़ दो, आई एम श्योर यू विल डू वेल इन लाइफ। आप जिंदगी में कुछ और करोगे। देयर आर 10 थिंग्स व्हिच कीप हैपनिंग इन लाइफ। सिर्फ एक डिप्टी डायरेक्टर एक अल्टीमेट एम नहीं है, लेकिन अगर कर रहे हो पूरी जान लगा दो। कोई तुम्हारी जान नहीं मांग रहा है, दिन में 2-3 घंटे पढ़ना है एंड दिस विल बी ओके। ओके गाइस, सो दैट्स ऑल। ओके राजीव, एनीथिंग एल्स?
सर एक रिगार्डिंग जिस तरह से आप लोगों ने काफी रिसर्च किया है, मैं पिछले 7 हफ्ते से आपकी ही वेबसाइट को देख रहा हूँ और सारे देख फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन अभी तक इनरोल नहीं किया था। वो डिसीजन मेकिंग का पार्ट थोड़ा लेट था, लेकिन लिंक सेफ है सर? मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि ऑनलाइन से थोड़ा घबराहट होती है अपने को।
मतलब देखिए, अब पिछले 10 साल में तो कोई गड़बड़ नहीं हुई
पेमेंट
है।
लिंक थी 5 कर।
हाँ, मैं भी पेमेंट लिंक की बात कर रहा हूँ। आज तक कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि पैसा और कहीं चला गया। डोंट वरी। या
राइट सर। और नेक्स्ट जिस तरह से आप लोगों ने डिजाइन किया, क्योंकि मैं खुद से भी प्रिपेयर कर रहा था, तो मैंने पाया कि आपका काफी साइंटिफिक अप्रोच है, एक्सपीरियंस्ड है, और जिस तरह से आप प्रॉमिस कर रहे हो, तो बाकी का पता नहीं, लेकिन मैं तो श्योर हूँ कि सक्सेस मिलेगी। तो
ठीक है।
बाकी कोर्स इनरोलमेंट के बाद आप पर्सनल गाइडलाइंस लेंगे सर?
Sure. And guys, see again, we don't treat you like class 10 students. आप सब लोग सीनियर आदमी हो. You know what you want in life. Okay. So make your plan and make a plan which you can work upon. कि क्या टॉपिक मुझे अभी खत्म करना है, क्या नवंबर तक करना है, किस टॉपिक के लिए मुझे वीडियो देखनी है, क्या टॉपिक मुझे पढ़ना ही नहीं है। आप में से कुछ इतने अच्छे लोग हैं जिन्होंने कैट वेट की तैयारी किया है, कभी एमबीए के लिए कुछ किया है, उन्हें मैथ्स पढ़ने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, सीधा पेपर में जाएंगे 20 के 20 कराएंगे। कुछ लोगों का इतना अच्छा इंग्लिश है कि इंग्लिश इतना आसान आता है, उन्हें वो कभी देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। ठीक है, तो मेक योर प्लान कि आप किसमें स्ट्रॉन्ग हो, किसमें वीक हो, अपने आप को समझिए एंड स्टार्ट डूइंग इट। ओके गाइज, so thank you so much and join by tomorrow evening and all the best.